Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be putting a new CV axle in this 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe. I put new brakes in a few months back and I noticed the inner boot had a hole in it and looks like all the grease had come out, and I've been getting kind of a knocking sound from that area, so I'm pretty sure that joint is wasted. So we got our new axle here, got it on Rock Auto. I think it's around 80 bucks. There's like 3 different brands to choose from. I'm sure they're all made in the same factory in China. They just put them in different boxes. This one is the Frost and Sullivan variety. Kind of sounds like they should be making mattresses instead of CV joints, but this is what we got. Let's get started. Alright, so you can kind of see that rubber boot has failed. You can see the grease coming out. So I'll get some penetrating oil on this nut here. These 2 strut bolts have to come out, and then I'm going to take this ABS line off because I don't want to wreck that. So that's a 10mm bolt right there. Okay, ABS sensor's out. Just had to get a screwdriver under there and kind of pry it up. Now let's go ahead and get this axle nut off. Alright, so looks like it's a 32mm. Let's see if the Hercules can bust it loose. Not bad. Okay, so this says loose in here. Sometimes they're seized up. Alright, let's get these strut bolts out. This is a 17mm socket and a 19mm wrench. Alright, I think at this point I'm gonna maybe put this bolt back in and then turn the wheel all the way to the right. And there's this piece that's on there too. Okay, now I just gotta disconnect that end. Okay, so I thought this was gonna be a battle getting this off, but I literally just gave it a few pulls and it came right out. I thought I was have to get my slide hammer on it, but I mean, here it is. So that was really easy. And you can see the grease coming out there. Yeah, there's the hole. And that's what that end looks like. Comparing the two side by side, looks like we got the right one. I am gonna put some transmission oil on this surface here, because that's where the seal rides. And the new one comes with a new axle nut. Okay, so one tip here is this clip. Make sure the opening's at 12 o'clock. That way when you go to put the shaft on, it won't be hanging down on one side and get bound up. So when it's like this, it'll be even. And this has a slight taper in it, so that clip will just go in nice and not get hung up. All right, we got it in. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the wheel back straight. Alright, then we'll go ahead and put the ABS sensor back in. Got the washer and axle nut. So this washer is not flat, so I can see from the wear here that this was facing out towards the nut. Okay, so I'll tighten this to 188 foot-pounds. I got someone pressing on the brakes so the rotor doesn't turn. Alright, got the cotter pin back in. We'll hit this brake rotor with some brake cleaner. Alright, wheels back on, got these snugged up, and we'll let it down and we'll torque them. Alright, we'll torque these to 80 foot-pounds. Alright, this job's done. Let's take it for a test drive. And I don't hear anything anymore, so that was the cause of it. Which is good, because I didn't see anything else that would really, that was loose, that would cause that clunking sound, so that is good. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.